everyone, here is another mailbox minute. Morning everyone, here is another mailbox minute. Oh, I don't know what this is, I don't know what this is, I don't know what this is. I don't want to break it though. Look at this, so feels a little breakable. This one isn't a squishy mold, I don't think. I could be wrong. Oh, finally. I'd ordered a bunch of these jelly tools and they got stopped at the border for some reason and sent back. I can't imagine why, but they did. So now I have a small set that I can play with my jelly soap with. How exciting is that? Check it out. I gotta show you these. These are really, really cool. So this is just a syringe, a 10 ml syringe with that kind of tip. Each one of these blades does a different kind of pedal and fits right on the end. So as you fill it up with your soap and you're injecting the jelly color soap to make your different shapes into a round or whatever. I'm going to just start with some. And it goes all the way down the needle, and then you fill up as you pull out. So how cool is that going to be? That's going to be so much stinking fun. I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to play with this. It's going to be super duper awesome. Probably a December project. I don't know. It just sounds like so much fun. It will definitely be custom order product because jelly soap, you just want it to be fresh, right? All right, and I use Stefan right now. There are a couple recipes out there, but until I get it perfect, I'm going to be using a commercial product. All right, we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.